Yeah.
Had a very shiny.
Preston.
No, pull it.
There you go. This is favorite present.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Cool.
They always are.
Here you go.
What's the favorite?
Oh, did you finish what was in this bag?
Uh-huh.
No, you didn't. There's more in that bag.
Whoa.
What's this say? It says, I'm a big brother.
Oh.
And what's that one about?
Dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Wow.
When I was over here the last time, he wanted me to draw the planet.
I only want this one and this one.
Okay, this one's Mercury.
And this one.
And there's one that has rings around it. That's mine. Let's see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's mine. Let's see.
That one.
Did we do this one?
No.
It's too sweet for citrus.
This one's your
What is it?
Pluto.
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's a star.
It's a star. Star.
It's
So
full.
it's not a planet. What is that?
Little planet.
In my mind, it's a
I
Oh, your mama.
Can I see?